If you love discovering gadgets that make you go, "No way that exists," you're in the right place. We're diving into some insanely smart woodworking tools that make your projects faster, cleaner, and, honestly, way more fun. And hey, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss the coolest tools on the internet. All the tools we show today, buy links are in the description. Let's jump straight in. This Dovaman 10-inch sliding miter saw is built for people who actually build. Dual speed mode lets you switch from clean wood cuts to PVC or soft metal instantly. The laser guide locks your line dead straight. The 13-inch slide gives you huge 4x13 cuts. And those TCT blades? They rip through material like butter. Ambidextrous controls, a 15-amp copper motor, extendable tables. This thing is basically a mini pro shop on your bench. These BORA Jobhorse brackets let you build a rock-solid sawhorse in minutes. Just drop in 2x4s and lock the legs with a foot tap. The thick steel plates hold up to 1,000 pounds, and the angled teeth bite into the wood so it doesn't move an inch. And the flat steel feet? They stay stable on grass, gravel, uneven ground, anything. If you want a portable workstation that feels pro-level without the price tag, this is the cheat code. If you're into DIY at all, this tiny tool is gonna blow your mind. This is the Hardell mini rotary tool, literally the size of a marker, but it handles cutting, engraving, polishing, all of it. You get a digital speed display, so you dial in exact speed. Slow for detail work, fast for grinding. It's super lightweight, Type-C rechargeable, and comes with a full kit of accessories. For small fixes, crafts, or quick cuts, this thing replaces an entire toolbox. If you've ever tried breaking down a pallet, you know the pain. Nails everywhere, wood splitting, blades dying in seconds. But this blade? The Ezark pallet repair blade, this thing is built different. It has a reverse tip that stops it from jamming, bending, or snapping, even inside nail-embedded wood. The 1014 TPI teeth cut clean, smooth, and fast. No vibration, no fighting the saw. If you fix pallets, flip furniture, or salvage wood, this blade is literally a cheat code. This is the Worx compact circular saw, light enough for one-hand cuts, but strong enough to rip straight through 2-inch lumber. You press one lever to set your depth, twist the angle for clean 45-degree bevels, and the dust port keeps your line crystal clear. Blade changes take seconds, and the whole thing feels insanely controlled and safe. For quick home cuts, DIY builds, or tight spaces, this little saw works like a full-size beast. This is the PacTool Snapper Shear Pro. Just clip it onto any 18-volt drill, and suddenly you're slicing hardybacker like it's cardboard. It rotates 360 degrees, so you can do straight cuts, tight curves, even perfect circles for outlets and toilet flanges. And the best part? It kicks up almost no dust. So you see what you're doing, and you're not breathing in junk. For bathroom renos, siding installs, or weird corner cuts, this tool is straight up a game changer. This is the GoingMake miter gauge, built for dead accurate cuts without touching a single measurement. You get a micro-adjust flip stop that dials accuracy down to 0.001 inch, plus instant angle stops for perfect miters every time. The fence extends out to 36 inches, so long crosscuts stay perfectly straight. And the zero-fit bar slides smooth with no wiggle, like a professional track system. If you're tired of crooked cuts or cheap gauges, this is the upgrade that fixes everything. This is the Milescraft Track Saw Guide, and it basically turns your normal circular saw into a laser-straight track saw. You just drop your saw on the aluminum base, line up the red strip with your cut, and boom! Perfect 50-inch cuts. Zero wobble, zero splinters. The anti-slip rails lock down. The guide stays dead straight, and you cut doors, sheets, anything with pro-level accuracy. If you hate freehand fails, this is the upgrade. I legit didn't trust this tool until it saved my door. This Kata door lock kit basically turns a messy job into a clean, pro-level install. You snap the guide on, lock your size, and boom, perfect holes in seconds. The carbon steel saw cuts smooth. No tear out, no guessing, no mistakes. For rentals, remodels, or first-timers, this thing just makes the whole lock install stupid easy. If you do any DIY at all, this little sander is gonna surprise you. It's a 360-watt orbital sander with 6-speed settings, so you can go gentle on detail work or crank it for heavy paint removal. And the dust system actually works. Keeps your space clean while you sand. It's lightweight, super easy to control, and comes with 15 sanding discs for every type of job. For furniture flips, smoothing wood, or stripping finishes, this thing makes the job stupid easy. You ever try fixing one tiny wood detail and suddenly you're hooked? That's exactly what happened when I grabbed this WEP dual pen wood burning kit. One pen for detailing, one for shading, switch in one click. It heats fast, burns clean, and feels like drawing with fire, but controlled. No tip swapping, no slowdown, just smooth, pro-level wood art in minutes, if you want your designs to look way better with zero struggle. These BORA wide panel supports turn your centipede stand into a rock-solid cutting platform. They lock in with a simple drop-in post, swivel 360 degrees so you can place support exactly where you need it, and that non-skid surface grips your wood so it doesn't slide, shift, or crash through the gaps. They're tough, they're fast, and they make solo cutting feel stupid easy. If you use a centipede, these are the upgrade you didn't know you needed. This is the PowerTech Tandem Feather Board, your extra set of hands that never slips, never flinches, and keeps every cut locked on track. You mount it to your table saw or rotor table, and it presses the wood tight against the fence. So no drifting, no wobble, and way less kickback. It's got a reversible design, fits both miter slots and T-tracks, and the pressure stays perfectly even the whole cut. For cleaner cuts and way safer woodworking, this is one upgrade you don't skip. If you've ever tried cutting wood with a weak chainsaw, this one will feel illegal. It's a 12-inch cordless beast with a 4.0 amp-hour battery that actually lasts, plus a brushless motor that hits harder than the old-school ones. The smart LED display tells you battery, errors, and modes. Power mode for fast cuts, eco for longer jobs, tool-free chain tensioning, automatic oiling, and a gripping claw that locks into the wood so it doesn't kick back. For pruning, firewood, or cutting thick logs, this thing is pure cheat code power. These ManRam cabinet clamps turn you into a one-man pro crew. They pull, align, tighten, and let you pre-drill without ever moving the clamp. Flip the built-in drill guide, drop your pilot hole, drive the screw, done. Felt pads protect your finish, the 4-inch capacity handles most frames, and the 300 to 600 pound force keeps everything locked dead straight. All right, that's today's lineup of woodworking tools. Simple, smart, and honestly, total game changers. If you found even one tool you liked, make sure you smash that subscribe button for more drops